In this video, I will show you how you can block ads on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. If the ads started appearing on the home screen of your Samsung phone like this, and if you want to fix this issue, now this issue is usually caused because of an app which you have installed. Now these apps usually do not appear on the home screen or on the app drawer, and they do not even have a name, and their icon is just a white circle. Now to find and delete this app, just go to your home screen and open settings. Now under settings, just tap on display. Now under the display settings, just make sure you enable dark mode. After you enable dark mode, the next step is just go back to the main settings page. And in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from this app list, just look for an app which does not have a name and their icon is just a white circle. Now this app will only appear if you enable dark mode, because in light mode their icon will blend with the background, but in dark mode it will stand out. So just scroll down and look for an app which does not have a name and its icon is just a white circle. After you find the app, then just delete it. Now currently we are not facing this issue, but I'll delete an app just to show you the process. For example, I'll select this app. Now to delete it, just select uninstall and tap on uninstall. Now after you do that, you'll delete the selected app from your Samsung phone. Now after you've done that, now for the next step, from this app list, just look for the web browser which you usually use. For example, I'll select this browser. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on storage. From here, just tap on clear cache and wipe all the cache data of your web browser, then tap on clear data. Now just select clear all data and tap on OK. Now after you do that, you will clear any data from your web browser which might be causing this issue. Now after you've done that, then just go back to the app list. Now from this app list, just look for any app which you don't remember installing, or just look for any suspicious app, like any duplicated app or any of the cleaning apps. For an example, I will select this app. Now just tap on uninstall, and from here just uninstall any suspicious app from your Samsung phone, like those cleaning apps or games which you don't remember installing. Now after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just open your web browser. Now after you open your web browser, then in the search bar, just search this. Now just tap on next DNS and open this website. Tap on try it now. Now on this page, just scroll down a bit. Now from here, just copy the DNS provider name. Just like that. Now after you select the DNS provider link, then just tap on copy. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open settings. Under settings, just go back to the main settings page and tap on connections. From here, just scroll down and tap on more connection settings. Now on this page, just tap on private DNS. Now if it is on off or automatic, just scroll down and select private DNS. Now in this section, just paste the copied DNS provider hostname. After you do that, then just tap on save. Now after you connect your phone to the private DNS, you will disable all the apps from all the third-party apps and the websites which you're using. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.